Hello guys, welcome to WordPress Learn Up, where we teach you how to customize responsive and easy to customize websites. So look at the website we'll be creating today, demo view. This is the demo view of the website we'll be creating. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So we'll be creating this business website in a few moments from now. Here it is. Yeah, this is the footer section and this is the home page. Okay, before we begin, we must have an hosting and domain name. So let's go to HostGinger to get a hosting and domain name for our website. So courtesy of Fedi, how to purchase domain name from HostGinger. So at the bottom left, you click on claim deal. I think there is a promo going on. So here are the different subscription services that they have. You can read through what it entails, and this actually entails 200 gigabytes of storage. I think we'll go for that. So create plan. You're gonna choose that plan and you scroll down, fill in your details, your card details, and yes, there is a coupon. You can always browse the internet and search for HostGinger coupon code. During this festive period, they should be offering a reasonable subscription rate. So we're gonna go through this and add company details and fill in the necessary form. Once you're done with this, you proceed. One more thing. Okay, we select this, we go down a little bit. Email address where information will be sent, and then you're going to be paying with our card. Scroll down a bit and we submit. Let's go through this process. It's taking a little bit of time. We fill in the necessary details, submit a secure payment, and this will redirect us to the HostGinger control panel. So who is the website for? Is it my business or for someone else? Definitely my business, because this is a sample website that you create or you migrate. If you have previously have a website you need to migrate, you can go ahead and click migrate. So we have two options here too: WordPress with AI, HostGinger website builder, which is the option we will be using. So here you have to select a domain name, but if you have a domain name on HostGinger before, there is another process for that too. We'll be creating a video regarding that. So once you input your domain name, or we'll purchase a domain name, it's for a company. Click on next. Okay, then we fill in the necessary information. I'll go below. Then finish registration for your domain name. Input your name, preferred name, and every other thing. And there we go. This is going to take a few seconds. Okay, there we have it. So where is the website? These are more or less like where the servers of HostGinger are located. They're closer to you. Very good for what's it called? When you are optimizing your website, it's called the CDN, when you're applying CDN. So here is the back end of the HostGinger. So your website is running smoothly, but we need to install WordPress. So that is your URL. Once you click on it, this is what your URL is currently displaying. So at the left hand side of the screen, you're going to click on file. On the left hand side, you're going to click on file for us to install the WordPress files. Once you click on file, then you're going to get this option that says install WordPress. We click on install. So once we click on install, we type in the website credentials. We're still going to be doing this on Namecheap. I'll walk you through on how to register this on Namecheap and install the WordPress also. It's more or less the same thing when it comes to the interface is kind of different, but it's literally the same thing if you have an understanding of how this entire thing works. So there it is. It's redirecting us back to. So here, a quick dive into Namecheap. We're done with the HostGinger. So a quick dive into Namecheap. This is my Namecheap environment. So we'll be clicking on the cPanel to take us to where we need to install WordPress. Here we have different scripts. Here is the Namecheap control panel. So I already created a subdomain where we'll be installing the WordPress software. So the WordPress script, to say. So go ahead and click on WordPress. So you can go through all these. These are the features that Namecheap actually offers when it comes to hosting different categories of either be it an application, be it a e-commerce, and every other thing. So this is the environment. With this here, you manage your files. This is the email section where you can actually export your emails if you are changing hosting provider. So here we click on WordPress. Once you click on WordPress, it's going to take you to this environment. It's called the Softaculous. You click on install. If you remember this environment while we were at Hostinger, so here I'm going to select the domain in which I want to install the WordPress on. That is my subdomain. Remember this on Hostinger where it was asking us for website credentials. So we're going to input, type in the website credential right here. So there it is. Just going to title it WordPress Learn Hub. I think that will be better. Yes, WordPress Learn Hub. Then below you're going to write the site description. Don't forget, you are the only one who knows what your site is all about. If you do not know, you can always use ChatGPT to create or to generate a better site description, as long as you understand the niche which you are. On the right hand side, there is your admin username. I'm going to use Learn WordPress Learn, and please do not do this on a real life website because this is risky. Using your domain name as your username is to be easy for hackers to actually use what we call database injection to penetrate your website. So don't use that, and ensure you use a very secured password which involve letters, alphanumeric, and the likes of it. So I'm going to input the password, 50 of 100, and okay, this is 78 of 100. I doubt if this is gonna, if Namecheap will allow me to go through with this password. I believe it's always 80 and above. Well, let's go down. So that is your default admin email where information regarding the installation will be sent to. So let's scroll down. I'm gonna select English. So we're gonna click install. I said it. So let's go back to the password and add more letters or numbers to the password so it can surpass 80 over 100 though. So I'm gonna re-enter the password. Okay. Wow, I think this is better. I hope. Oh yes, always try to remember the password, please. So there it is. Checking the submitted data is creating. Okay, here we have it. So I'm going to click on that. So there it is, just as we have it after purchasing our domain name on Hostinger. So same thing we have here. So now we are in the WordPress environment. We're going to clean up this environment a bit. So at the top right corner, click on that option, then uncheck every box you have in to have a clean environment for your WordPress to begin. That is screen options. Let's remember screen option, the screen options. So there, click on posts. We will be deleting some dummy posts and some dummy pages and plugins that are not needed. So we go to pages now. If you want me to give make a video on how to navigate around or divining and explaining what all these features are on this WordPress website, you can always comment in the comment section, and I promise I'm going to create a video regarding this. So now we've deleted the dummy pages and dummy posts. So one more thing, the permalink, we need to set the permalink to post name, so we don't have numbers when anyone searches for our URL. We don't want to see some element of numbers or strange hyphens. So we're going to set it to post name. it demands, according to WordPress, generally, rule of thumbs, it's actually accurate. It's better for you to set that to post name. So I'm going to go to dashboard. Okay, everything is clean. Now we have a clean WordPress dashboard. So let's deactivate and delete plugins that are not needed. Okay, we're going to click apply. Okay, select again, click delete, select delete, click apply. Okay, now we have it. There it is. So next thing we need to do now, we need to install the themes. We'll be using the Bossa theme. Trust me, this theme is free. This theme is actually free, and trust me, you're going to enjoy this theme. You can find different niches of whichever categories or website you want to design is embedded in this theme. So we're going to copy that, paste it here to search for the Bossa business services. So on my notepad that I just displayed, now you can take a screenshot. I listed the theme name and all the necessary plugins that we will be installing, except for the WooCommerce and some functions of the WooCommerce, because I'm not sure if we'll be needing WooCommerce on this. So we're going to go back to delete some of these themes that are not needed, or we'll be deleting just to free up some space and have a clean WordPress backend. Okay, there it is. Okay, now time to install plugins that are needed to support this particular theme we've selected. So we'll go to plugin. Okay, at the top you're going to click on add new plugin. Then I'm going to switch to my notepad. I'm going to select advanced import. This will give you the ability to import demo content for the theme. So we're going to paste this. Okay, and we're going to install now. Then we'll go back to my notepad. The next thing and the next plugin is the Q2 set. Very important also. Is one of the plugins attributed to Bossa theme. So there it is. So this is used to import dummy data. Yes, you can go online and download some dummy data for Bossa themes, and you can always import it. So Elementor, the page builder, one of the #1 page builder. Okay, we're going to paste that. We're going to install now. Okay, it's coming up great. And the next on the list will be Bossa Elementor add-ons for WooCommerce. We might not be needing this much, but the add-ons is very important though, so we're gonna install that too. So the next after this is the breadcrumb. Gonna activate this. Also, the next one is the breadcrumb nafty. So we're gonna copy that and go back to the page, paste it here. Install now. I think we have the element kit, very important. This works better with Elementor page builder. So the Elementor add-on, this will actually give you more features if you want to design a custom header. If you don't want to use the default header, this can be used to achieve that. Then the last one, which is the contact form. Every website needs a contact form for lead generation and for customers or visitors to reach out to you. Very important. We have other forms. We have the Forminator forms, which I will be creating videos on how to actually use some other of this form. Very important. So at the top, click on get started with the Bossa business theme. After this, we'll go ahead and activate all installed plugins. Very important. Go ahead and activate all installed plugins. You can take your time and pause the video if you do not understand and rewind back. Okay, before we do this, before we import the demo, go ahead and activate all available plugins, installed plugins. We go down to installed plugins. On the left hand side, click on plugins over on top. So we're going to select all, click on the drop down and click on activate, then select activate and apply. This is going to activate all plugins. Okay, we are all ready. Then on the left hand side, we go to appearance again. Then we're going to select demo import. We're going to scroll down and we're going to click on import. Select import. So this might take close to maybe like 1 to 3 minutes, depending on the speed of your internet. So there it is, a few moments from now. Okay, so you can go ahead and click on the visit my site to have a look at what we have. Okay, easy. Okay, yes, there it is, our beautiful business theme. This can be used. You can customize this to fit into your organization need. If it's for your personal business, you can even customize this for a consulting